Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampingup.net. Thank you for joining me today. Today's card features the Best Delivery stamp set. It's featured on page 53 of the new Stampin' Up! Mini catalogue. Here it is here. It's so cute. So cute. It's the stamp set. This is such a great, nice big image. I like these really good big stamped images that you can colour or just stamp and then cut out, which is what we're going to do today. A little bit of fussy cutting and some stamping using Smoky Slate, Granny Apple Green and Blushing Bride inks today. So let's go ahead and get some stamping done first of all. I'm just going to bring in a piece of basic white cardstock. And I'm going to stamp up that the image of the delivery truck with our memento. And go. And it's super easy to fussy cut as well. Just going to do a little bit of colouring here. So let me bring in I've got my dark Pool Party and my light Pool Party blends. Just going to put a little bit of dark just down here. And I'm going to come in with my light Pool Party and just do the trim here. And come in with my dark Pool Party and just lay some colour down, and then I'm going to blend out those harsh lines with the light one. And oops, let's bring in the dark one again. I'm just going to do a little bit of keeping the same colour going along here. Just putting a little bit of the dark colour down and coming in with my light again just to blend out those harsh lines. There we go. And we're going to fussy cut that out now. Alright, there's our fussy cutting done. I've gone ahead already and stamped out the image, the sentiment in Granny Apple Green, and I used the tailored tag punch to punch that one out, and I'm just going to place it right there. And let's get some dimensionals on the back. Alright, let's put that to one side, and now we can do our stamping for this one. So I've got a thick basic white cardstock. I always use thick basic white for my cards, always. I'm going to bring in Smoky Slate. I need to get my chamois somewhere here because I'll need that. Right, now this is just random stamping, so just put down a little bit wherever you want them. So I've actually got a piece of designer series paper which is going to go on the side here. So I've cut that to 5 centimeters, but you can, do it. That didn't stamp very well, did it? See if I can fix it. Here we go. You can do it to whatever colour you like, whatever size you like, really. The designer series paper is actually from the Pattern Party paper stack. Bringing in the Granny Apple Green now. going to bring in Blushing Bride last. Whoops. The stamp is quite forgiving. Whoops. Did it again. And again. Going too fast, that's why. Put another one here. Let's have a little look and see how that looks. Here we go. Oops, we can fix that one up. Here we are. And that's all the stamping done. Now it's just a matter of popping that designer series paper on with some seal, some adhesive, I've left a little bit of an edge on the paper here. And then our little truck. Pretty easy card, really easy card to make. And last but not least, we have our ribbon here. I've already gone ahead and tied the bow. This is from the Baker's Twine, the 4-pack of Baker's Twine. It's got a glue dot. I use I think this is, I want to say grey granite for that one. And there you have it. Pretty simple, very cute, just using 3 colours and a little bit of colouring with our Stampin' blends. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I have put a list of the products I've used in the description bar below. You can click on them if you wish to. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.